Hello great people, it's a favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today we shall learn how to do the side swing cross. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, perfect your jump rope trick or work out to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. The side swing cross is a trick that requires you to know how to do the double spin side swing. Don't worry, we have a great tutorial of the double spin side swing, link down in the description below. So without further ado, let's see how it looks and get started.
How long do I got to keep you, to keep you?
Hello and welcome to the tutorial proper. I would like us to begin with the hand and the upper body. Understanding what goes on with the upper body with this move is the first key to this move. Knowing how to do the double spin side swing will give you an edge for this move. What you basically do here is, once the rope is on one side, you spin your hands 2 times with the hands of that side going from bottom to top, kind of rotating. Then the hands from the opposite side stay below while the hands of that same side cross. Once you are going into this side swing cross, one of your hands have to be in place. That's the hand to the opposite side of the body. What happens here basically is, you have to hold the hand from the opposite side of the body while the hand of same side of the body crosses over it. So for example, if you are doing it to your right side, if you're crossing from your right side, your left hand will come to your right side while it holds in that position. Then your right hand will go from bottom to top, cross it to the other side to make the loop so you can jump through without tripping on the rope. So it's that simple, guys. Let's put it to practice and see how far we can go with this move. Most jump rope tricks are not complete without the footwork, and the best footwork for this move is the simple hop. So once you apply the simple hop footwork to this move, you look sleek and professional. To nail the hops properly with this move, I would like you to know that the legs that goes into the hop goes with the opposite hands that crosses the rope. That way you look sleek, totally like a professional. What really happens here is, once you create the loop, you jump through with one of your legs a bit higher. So let's try some few hops with this move before we move to the next section of this tutorial. Entry and exit into this move has to do with your timing and rhythm. But remember, the hand movement is, the hand that crosses first has to hold in position while the hand of that same side will cross over, creating the loop for you to jump through. Remember to always enter this move with your hops. That way you look sleek, like I said earlier. Also, when you're exiting this move, the hand that crosses last will be the one to whipping open the rope for you to jump through. It's just like you're making the Jake kneeling hello move for you to exit this jump rope trick. Which part of this move do you need to work on? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you for staying with us to the end. Your support has taken us this far and we are really happy to have you. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your loved one, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and turn on notification to catch up with our new content. Until next time, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.